No, it's not. It's not. I bet you it's a middle-aged man. No, it's a white guy. You lost. Okay, let's do the Impala. You are cheating. You're cheating.
The BMW.
Okay, the BMW is a middle-aged white man.
Middle-aged,
White man, businessman. Yes,
Yeah.
middle-aged white man, right? Businessman. And let's see if we're right. He is a middle-aged white man, I bet you. And
Yeah.
yes, I'm right. Okay, let's do, yeah, no, we're not gonna.
that Toyota, the maroon one.
What Toyota?
The one in front of this one is turning now. That's just an Indian.
It's the Toyota?
Yeah, this one.
Alright. Okay, you're right. No, there's a black guy. You lost. Okay.
Next era.
Okay. How are we gonna figure that out?
The short Mexican person. Lady.
Mexican lady, X-Zero?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna say the minivan is a middle-aged woman. And I lost. It was a middle-aged man. I make it right. Okay, let's figure out if you're right about the Xterra. Red hose, I make it right. Make it right. I make it red on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it red on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it red on them hoes. Yeah, she's not letting you see her. Peekaboo.
No shit.
Okay, let's do the Jeep. What do you think?
I don't know. We're gonna
Woman.
get next era though.
Oh, you're serious? It's a woman. It's a woman. What was she?
I can't tell. Indian or Mexican, it's one or another.
I think it's Mexican. You're kind of right, I think. You know that she's rented. I'm joking. I make it right. I make it right. I make it right on them hoes. I make it right. Make it right. I make it right on them hoes.
In front of us.
Well, it's obviously a parent. So it's a man. That's a man. That's a man because he has kids. Play football. He's probably in his 30s.
And he's having an argument. Or something like this.
He's having an argument, really. I don't know. He's talking.
What about the Pontiac?
The Pontiac is a man. No, I can't tell. I hate those cars. I hate that Pontiac. Everybody has them. On my elevator.
In the 300, I knew it would be a black person.
Why? Because it resembles a Bentley? Yeah.